life is so long and dreary sometimes, with sadness and sorrow and heartache and pain. The harder I try, the stronger the pain. With tears and troubles and strife in my life, no matter how hard you try, sometimes life doesn't always go as planned. I will go on in sorrow and pain, 'cause life is so long sometimes. Oh, little bird, why are you walking and not flying? Doesn't it take longer that way? I used to know how to fly. You did? What happened? It's a long, sad story. Can you stay a while? I'm in no hurry. I can stay as long as you like. Perhaps you'd like to rest on my back if your story is as long as you say. Oh, no, thank you. I have to sing it. I was born to fly in the sky. My lovely wings were my pride. Oh, I want to see your lovely wings. I was caught in rainstorms and snowstorms, blizzards and freezing rain. Were you injured? My foot. But why don't you fly? I only walk now. It's not safe to fly. Oh, how I wish I was a fish. Oh, little bird, tell me more of your story. What do you mean? Well, your journey. Why you decided to walk. What happened after the storm? Oh, you want to know what happened? I'll tell you what happened. There were men with guns. You were shot? There were children throwing rocks. You were hit. And when I tried to get away, I crashed into other birds and they made fun of me. Oh, little bird. You must be exhausted. Rest on my back for a while. May I see your beautiful wings? I won't fly for you. You can't make me. I like you, even if you get angry. If you change your mind, I'll be right here. Well, maybe I'll just climb up. Oh. Whee! Better rest a while. I'm not tired. Shh, they're sleeping. While little bird sleeps, we'll have intermission. It's time to learn to waltz. Who's heard of waltzing? Can you hear the music? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good. Now you can use your hands separately like this. Go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If you were dancing with another person, this is what you might do. Good. Now forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, now let's break out our puppets. If you have a puppet, you can use a puppet. If you have just your hands, you can use your hands. And the bird and the horse will dance. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Maybe the horse wants to have a solo. What if the horse and the bird became one and flew? What does flying feel like? Oh, send all your flying energy to little bird. Let's have the end, and that's the end of Act 2. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, it's evening. I must have been so tired and didn't know it. I'm sure it was morning when I started to walk. You were very tired and needed rest. Now, would you like to hear the rest of your story? What do you mean? I had a dream about you. I dreamed a dream. You flew so high that you could touch the sky. Each day I'd sing a sweet solemn song that all your dreams would soon come true. You dreamed I flew, I flew, I flew so high that I could touch the sky. Each day I sit and watch the other birds fly by in the sky so lovely. How I wish it could be me. The winds of time are changing now. Each day will lead you to your goal. Dream, 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 dream. You'll fly so far away. I dreamed a dream. You flew so high that you could touch the sky. Each day you'd sing a sweet solemn song that all my dreams would soon come true. you dreamed, I flew, I flew, I flew, so high that you could touch the sky. Each day I sing a sweet solemn song. How I wish that you would fly, fly, fly. Oh, maybe I could fly again. I know. Let's go for a ride on the roller coaster. I know the owner and we can go just the two of us. Well, the please enter sign is very inviting. I have only one request. I want to see your beautiful wings. Won't you fly to the coaster's seat? It's just over there, not so far. A good way to begin. I'm scared. I will keep you safe. I feel sick to my stomach. Courage, little bird, courage. What if I fail? You can't fail. You're a bird born to fly. Try, try, try. I can't do it, horse. I can't do it. I just can't do it. I'm never gonna fly again. I'm never gonna fly again. Little bird, breathe. Take a breath. Good. Now another. All right. Now, count to 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. Flap your wings on 1. You can do this. Horse, look! I made it to the please enter sign! Whee! Look at my wings! Woohoo! Horse! I'll see you at the roller coaster! Well, bird is flying high in the sky. But that is not the end of our story. What do you think happens next? Now spread your wings and fly!